Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a review from Unice hair, back with the wig reviews, y'all. So they sent over a couple wig caps, they sent over an edge brush, and they sent over this thinner like wig band. I've never had the thinner kind, but I heard that those are really good to lay your edges down. So the the hair that I'm having today is the 7x5 Byebyeknots Yaki bob wig with elastic drawstring. It's 150% density and is 12 inches, and as you can see, it has a lot of body already straight out of the package. So this is what the hairline looks like. This wig is already, you know, pre-plugged, all of that. The lace is already cut. You guys know nowadays the wigs, they just pretty much come so that you don't have to do much work. So I love that. This is the adjustable strap, and you can make that as tight as you want. I like to make mine really tight so that I don't have to like add any glue or anything, because I'm definitely wearing a Glueless. You have a clip in the back, and then the star of the show is the elastic drawstring. The elastic drawstring is really good because it helps your wig to stay snug. I know y'all saw how I was tugging on that wig at the beginning of this video. This helps it so it doesn't move. So you pull this first piece down, and then there's a second little piece, and that helps it to pretty much lock in place. So even if you move it, it's not going to get loose or anything. So I'm going to start by tinting my lace a little bit so it can match my skin tone and my makeup. I'm trying not to add too much to it because I don't want it to turn like, you know, orange or anything like that, but I'm just tinting it a little bit with my foundation. You can definitely skip this step if you don't need to do it. And then I am going to go ahead and put it on. Like I said, I love that I don't have to do much with this wig at all. I'm going to put it on with the adjustable elastic band. I did make it a little tight, and then I'm going to just, you know, put it into place. Like I said, this is the Yaki texture, so I love that it gives it like a natural look. It's not too silky or anything like that. It looks like I got my hair straightened or something. So this is what the 12 inches looks like on me, but we're going to go ahead and make sure this wig is locked and in place. Oh, and I like it has like the little curve around the ears, so that really contours the wig to your head. It's not uncomfortable or anything around the ears. So I am going to adjust the elastic band part at the back so that it can fit to my head. As you can see, and when I move it, it's not gonna go anywhere. So I'm just gonna make sure I put the big piece up like I showed you guys in the beginning, and then that little smaller piece, I'm going to lock that into place so that, you know, it ain't going nowhere at all. So now you can see that it is nice and snug and it fits to my head, and I love that. So you can definitely, you know, adjust it and customize it to your own head, which is great because, you know, we all have different sized heads and we want our wigs to be as comfortable as possible. So I just, yeah, we're tugging. It's not, look, it's not moving, shifting, anything. So I'm just showing you guys the scalp and everything. I love the Byebyeknots. It just looks really natural. I'm adding a little bit of wax to like my middle part and everything, and I'm gonna smooth that down. Although it was pretty smooth, I just, you know, I just like to be a little extra. Now I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and flat iron the whole bob. I feel like when I flat iron it, it kind of gives it like kind of like a softer look, and, you know, just activates even more body and even more movement when you add a little bit of heat to that. So I'm just going around and flat iron it all over. I mean, as you can see, can you see the difference from one side to the other? It's, you know, it got a little bit more movement because it was in a package and everything. So yeah. So I'm just going to make sure I do that all around, and that's pretty much all the styling I'm going to do to this wig. It's very, very simple. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. Like I told y'all, this is a simple install. I love when wigs come where I don't have to do much to it. Look at the body, look at the movement, look at the shine. I love the luster. Like I said, it has like a natural look. I love the Yaki texture because it looks natural, you know. It looked like it could really be mine. It could really be mine. The scalp looks very realistic, and as you can see, it is completely glueless, and even though it's glueless, it's not going to go anywhere. This is what it looks like from the back. The cut is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's 12-inch, the 7x5 Byebyeknots Yaki bob, and yeah, it don't move. Look, I just can't get over that it's glueless and it's not moving. Like, that whole drawstring thing really helped it to stay nice and put on my head. So if you guys like this wig or any other wig from Unice Hair, I'll definitely have the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.